anything but dinner. I'll throw that out there right now. A dinner is probably the worst first date idea because a lot of times you really end up holding someone verbally hostage because they want to eat, but you can't really eat. You've got to have this forced conversation, and there's just too much eyes around. There's a lot of variables that really eliminate the true nature of the first date. So I'd say a great first date is a phased first date. So what I usually like to do is start something very low key, right? Either getting some ice cream, maybe getting a cup of coffee, spending about 30 minutes with each other. And then if the 30 minutes is going well, transitioning that to a walk around the park, right? Really just getting them to get to a second location. If you can get someone to move from location one to location two, that's usually a clear indicator that things are going well. Walking through the park really eliminates any listening ears. It gives you a great opportunity to go one on one with someone. And of course, who doesn't like a nice walk through the park, especially like I said, I'm based in Boston. In the fall, there's great foliage around, just a really nice background. And then my rule of thumb is if you're on a date with someone for at least 2 hours, you owe them food. I still wouldn't go and grab dinner, but I would do something like, oh, let's grab a slice of pizza, right? Something that's very easy to eat. And you get the choice where we can sit down and eat if that's the vibe you're going for, or we continue the walk and eat as we go, really just getting them to see if you have a lot of range, really establishing great energy throughout multiple locations, and really just getting them to see that you're not afraid with going with the flow of things. I'm a believer that dating should always feel like an adventure, and what better adventure than an adventure with stories within stories within stories.